Imagine you are a computer programmer typing away on your keyboard, telling the computer what to do. You write instructions in a language that humans understand, like English or Java. But as you know that computers don't speak English, they have their own language made up of zeros and ones called machine language. So, how does your language, full of words and symbols, turn into something the computer can understand and follow? That is where programming language translation comes in. Just like how a translator helps bridge the gap between different spoken languages, programming language translation bridges the gap between human readable code and the machine code that computers understand. It's like a special translator that converts your human readable instructions into machine code so the computer can do what you want it to. Now, based on this explanation, here is a multiple choice question. Dash convert the programming instructions written by programmers into a language that computers understand and process. And the options are utilities, device drivers, language translators, software. Let's talk about each option and find out the correct answer. Utilities. These are software tools designed to perform specific tasks or functions such as file management, data compression, or system maintenance. While utilities are essential for various operations on a computer, they are not specifically used for translating programming instructions into machine-readable code. Device drivers. Device drivers are programs that facilitate communication between the operating system and hardware devices attached to the computer. Their role primarily revolves around enabling hardware functionality rather than translating programming instructions. Language translators. Language translators are the key players in converting programming instructions into a language that computers can comprehend and execute. These translators come in different forms, such as compilers, interpreters, and assemblers. They take high-level programming languages like Java, Python, or C++ and transform them into low-level machine code that the computer's processor can understand. Software. While the term software encompasses a broad range of programs and applications, it's worth mentioning that language translators are indeed a type of software. However, not all software serves the specific purpose of translating programming instructions into machine code. So, the correct answer is language translators. These tools, such as compilers and interpreters, are crucial because they take the code written by programmers in languages like Java or Python and convert it into a language that computers can understand and execute. You can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book.